American Express online banking steps to sign up. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how you can actually sign up for American Express online banking and the necessary steps. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To sign up for American Express online banking, go ahead and first of all open your browser and go to americanexpress.com, and then you will see this type of interface here. Now tap on the login option. Now since we don't have a login account, we're trying to create and register, so just scroll down and tap on create new online account button, and then just tap on it. Once you tap on create new online account, you'll come to this page where all you have to do is make sure to enter your 15-digit card number of your Amex account, then the 4-digit card pin, then tap on confirm. Then it will take you to the necessary steps to set up and to finish your account, and then your online banking will get successfully signed up. This way you can sign up for American Express online banking. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.